Hey everybody, welcome back to another episode of Diesel Boy Garage. Today's episode, we are putting a new exhaust on the truck. So the exhaust I got is a flo-pro, can't speak today apparently, and it's a 5-inch exhaust from, I think, turboback or downpipe back, whichever one, I don't know. There was a wee bit of an issue getting it. I'll get into that real quick. Essentially what happened was I ordered an MBRP 5-inch exhaust from Dury Diesel Customs, which I go through with a lot of my shit. And they sent me an email saying it was back ordered. And I was like, okay, that's fine, no big deal. I asked for what the turnaround time was and they didn't know. So they told me either one, I can wait for the indefinite arrival of my exhaust, which who knows when the hell that's going to be, or for an extra 100, I think it was like $150 or something like that, I could get the flo-pro. So I saw the flo-pro on their site, but on their site it says that the company, I guess, doesn't ship to PO boxes. So I was like, okay, shouldn't be a problem. But I was a little skeptical because I've had issues in the past with ordering stuff and putting a PO box number on it, and it coming to my address and vice versa, and I go up there. Anyways, after a little bit going back and forth with the company, they ended up sending it out the same day, and I got the exhaust the next day. So let's go get it, because I'm excited. I'll show you the reason why, as to why I'm getting a new exhaust. There's really nothing wrong with the other one. It's just well, let me show you. Okay, so the only reason why I'm actually getting a new exhaust is because the exhaust that's on the truck now comes from the engine, obviously. It comes all the way down and then has like a turnout out here, which isn't bad. I don't mind it, but I'd rather have it go to the back of the truck. So, in turn, with getting that new exhaust, it's going to go out towards the back of the truck, and probably going to get some more back pressure on it, obviously, and I think it's just a cleaner look, in my opinion. I am going to be doing an axle dump. I'll probably just do it straight out the side for now until my tip shows up, and that'll be in another video because it's still not here. Gotta wait another few days for that, about another week or so, but I think you guys are gonna like it. I think you guys are gonna like it a lot. I'm excited, considering I spent way too much on it. But anyways, without further ado, let's go get the exhaust. So here's the exhaust, brand new. So it's also gonna be a bit of an unboxing video. Haven't opened this yet, obviously, because it's still got all the fucking straps on it. But let's go about opening her up here and seeing what we got going on. Oh, piss. Come on. Boom. Pull all this fucking shit out because we don't need none of that no more. We'll throw it all in the recycling because we recycle, apparently. There she is. Fuck, does she look big? Well, of course she's big. It's a fuck 5-inch exhaust. Fuck yeah. So, obviously we have our exhaust. It comes with the piping, clearly. It also even comes with a nice cool sticker on it. And also comes with instructions. And I guess every part has a part number on it, so you know where to put things and everything else like that. And then it comes with your various clamps and stuff like that. So this is going to be fun. Oh, there's another box here too. What is this? Oh, another set of clamps. Cool. So we got 3 boxes of clamps, various amounts of piping, and our instructions. So let's go look at the truck. So I've come to the realization that the exhaust I have on the truck now, I actually believe it's a 5-inch. So what I'm thinking is, if it is an actual 5-inch, we'll go confirm that in a hot second here. But if it is, what I'm going to do is I'm just going to take out that turn down part and then put on the rest of the exhaust. Therefore, it cuts down installation time just fast over around all around, so I can get to doing other shit like doing the oil change on the truck, and then also what you call it, and then doing some shit around here, probably editing this video and everything else like that. But yeah, let's go check it out. Okay, so what we're gonna do here is we're gonna take our pipe that's I got propped up on the side of the fence or the railing with my leg, and we're gonna measure from the inside of the thing of the pipe diameter and come up here, and you see it comes up to 5 inches. It's awesome. So what we're gonna do now is we're gonna very carefully put this back in here for now, and then we're gonna do the same thing over onto the truck. Oh fuck, that's cold. Oh piss. And of course I came down the wrong spot. It's back here. Oh. Okay, so then what we're gonna do here as well is the same thing. Go down. Okay, so it's not exactly 5 inches, so I think this might actually be a 4-inch exhaust, unless if I'm measuring it wrong. Let's see, what does that say? Yeah, no. Okay, so it is a little smaller. Okay, that's fine. It just means we're gonna be fiddle fucking a little bit with it. Alright, well, let's get after it. So what's gonna happen next is I'm gonna start trying to take the old exhaust off. Because it's only me today, girlfriend's at work, you know, I don't have someone else who's able to film, unfortunately. So I'm gonna try to film as much as I can. Especially if I run into any issues, I'll let you guys know, and I'll try to get it on video, of course. But yeah, so without further ado, let's get into it. Alright, so after a little bit of finagling, we got the old bit off, and I realized, while I was thinking about it, I was like, you know what, I'm going to take the time and I'm going to measure the pipe that one just came off of, because it's the same thing in the instructions on the flo-pro. It's got like, I think like a 3-inch that comes from the downpipe out, and then it goes to a coupler, I guess, that's steps up to a 5-inch. So I'm wondering if if that, I mean, you can't really see it that well, but if this here is a 5-inch. So what I'll do is I'll grab my handy dandy tape measure, and I think we're gonna find it's probably 4-inch, but that's all right. So what we're gonna do, I'm gonna try to get up in a better spot so I can actually see what the fuck I'm looking at. So looking at it, it is, oh, it's a fucking 5-inch. So that makes my life a lot easier. So now what I can do is I can jump a couple steps and we can get right into the installation, because, well, now that that piece is out the fucking way, we can get on with installing the flo-pro. Alright, I'm excited. Let's go get it. Okay, so because I am ADHD as fuck, I'm going to go about to putting all the pieces in the right orders as per the instructions, just so it makes my life easier for the installation, so I can just grab a piece and go, rather than look at the part number, try to find the piece, find it, and then take the time and waste the time putting it in. So let me get to sorting everything out, and I'll get right back to you. Okay, so now all that's sorted, I have all the parts laid out that we need as per the instructions. So obviously 10811, 10811, so that one there, and 894, we're not going to be using those. Okay, so as per instructions, and as I said before, so this piece right here, 10811 and 894, these two we don't need, because the truck's already got them on there, and I don't feel like dicking around with shit if I don't have to. So then we have part number 10852, and we have these extra, or these next two pieces, which is, what's that one, 518 and then 50220. I'm assuming, so this is for, I guess, depending on what type of cab / bed you have on the truck. And because it's a crew cab and it's got the long box, I'm assuming we're probably going to need both of those. So then after that, then we have the 10856, and this is for like the axle, I guess the axle dump, and then 10855, which we're not going to be using because we're going to be going with the axle dump. So yeah, without any further of it, let's get into the install. Okay, so we got the exhaust in. Very straightforward. It's just a matter of taking the old piece out, which is right there, and then the new band clamps, throwing them on and everything else that I like. On the back, I'll show you. On the back, I had a bit of an issue with fitment for a hot minute, and that was only because trying to get the exhaust, the exhaust piece that goes over the axle, onto the hanger was a bit of an issue. Instead of trying to put it on after you put it in, take the exhaust hanger fucking bushing, I guess what it's called, I don't know, the rubber piece. Take the rubber piece off the frame side, put it on the exhaust, and then if you put it back on the frame side after, it's a lot easier to put in. Here, so there is to the axle dump. Goes right down along, and then through, under and over, and there. So now that's all done. What we're gonna do is I'm gonna set you guys up somewhere, and we're gonna do a first start. So we're gonna start it up, and then we're gonna go start it up, let you guys hear it, and then we're gonna go grab the mail, which is just up the fucking road. So yeah, let's get into it. Started, we're gonna let it run a bit, let it warm up. While that's doing that, I'm gonna clean up a bit of a mess that I've made here, and then once that's done, we'll go get the mail. Fuck, it sounds so much nicer. Okay, so now that we got all that done, we're gonna take a little bit of a drive around the quick neighborhood here, and yeah, see how she sounds and shit. Without further ado, back this air thing up, see what we got going on. Oh man, that sounds so good. Anyways, if you've made it this far, then fucking hey, awesome, congratulations to you. My whole intent of this channel is to just document, you know, stuff I do in my truck. You know, like, I know there's like big names out there and shit as far as YouTube's concerned. Is the goal to be big? I mean, if it came down to it, sure. But in all honesty, this is just me documenting shit I'm doing to my fucking truck. If you like it, drop a like, subscribe would be pretty cool. I'm just, you know, this is just me doing this on my downtime. You know, I still have a full-time job and everything else that I like. As far as plans in the future for the truck, so I have a few things coming that I think you're gonna like. One is actually for the exhaust, so still waiting for that to show up. I think you guys are gonna like it. It's a pretty sweet little thing here, just to make it look that much better. Wheel lights, I actually have to polish the wheel. I was gonna throw on my 37s for the winter, but I didn't because I'm an idiot. I was too lazy, so I was like, ah, fuck it, whatever. It's already, we're already halfway through the winter, so there's no point now. So there's gonna be like a tutorial how-to for like polishing wheels. Now, of course, I say that because I'm just doing it. I'm doing as I go, so as I learn anyways. But hold on, let's see something. Holy fuck. That 5-inch exhaust makes it sound so much better. But yeah, so with polishing the wheels, I got some gauges coming up. because this truck does have a H&S Minimax tuner on it. I want to get a better one just because I know H&S has gone out of business they've been out of business for a while now. So probably gonna switch to maybe EFI Live or something. I don't know, haven't really decided. I think eventually, we're just gonna keep it mild for now, and then depending on, you know, if money says yes, I am going to go about getting more horsepower parts, go fast parts. Hold on the highway. Man, having that back pressure on the exhaust, it's just, I don't know, it feels like I picked up maybe a couple ponies. Highly doubt it, but yeah. Fuck, this thing is awesome. So eventually maybe ARP head studs, bigger turbo, injectors, and then maybe eventually trans work. Try to get some fucking half decent horsepower numbers. I don't know. Anyways,